Well, it is me. I finally made it home. Well, hold on. Well, I am gonna try to put some light on real quick. Oh, my bad. How you doing? I have finally made it home. That is so crazy. But now I am just kind of looking at a lot of videos I uploaded and I didn't get a chance to like even look at it. But oh, that's my boo calling. Oh, I missed it. Drop the phone. My bad. But yeah, for real. Hey y'all, how y'all doing right there? I don't know. I've been doing videos for a long time. I just love videos and just me at home, just chilling. Boom. Yeah, just chilling or whatever. But at the end of the night, now I won't even say day, the end of the night, I'm just sitting here looking at some videos that I had a chance to look. I had never seen them. But it's just so cute. I put them in the wrong order, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, I'm learning this. I'm new. Shout out to all the people. What day it is? It's goddamn Monday. Love and Hip Hop was off the chain. But I got to rewatch it. But anyway, look at her. I'm going to bring it up a little more. I'm bringing up some more. What you think about it? What you think? Look at me. Hey girl, so pretty. I ain't got time for the dumb shit. Okay. I'm on TV, bitches. What about you? I don't want to even be famous. I love that song right there. I'm just looking at videos that I have never seen. It's kind of crazy or whatever, but at the end of the day, I like it. Let me see. Oh, next video. Let's see what it's gonna be. Let's see what this shit gonna be. I think yeah. How that taste? You like that? Good. What you eating? Chicken enchilada soup. It's the mom, right? Yeah. My baby love that stuff. It's the best. They gonna stole my soup. Look at her. She really wanna share. Yeah. Alright, enough of that. How you guys doing today? Oh gosh.